Welcome to this webinar from I-PEX. I-PEX manufactures connectors for a wide variety of equipment applications. We will discuss the locking functions of connectors in this webinar. Electronic devices use many connectors inside. However, high vibration or shock to the devices may cause the connectors to disconnect. Connectors with locking functions can strengthen mating retention and help prevent unintended unmating. Locking methods vary from connector to connector. For example, the Evaflex FFC FPC connectors have an auto-locking feature. You will feel and hear it click into place in the lock, which will help prevent half-mating insertion. This one-step operation also helps productivity and contributes to the automation of production processes. The I-PEX Series micro-coaxial connectors also have locking functions. For example, the horizontally mated connectors with a locking cover can only be locked when mating is complete, so it will help to prevent incomplete mating of the connectors. The MHF Series micro RF connectors are available with a locking function. The structure can be easily secured by sliding the lock, greatly improving the plug retention force. For more information, please contact us through our website. Thank you for watching.